If you enjoy cycling, then you know it's a great way to stay fit. However, cyclists do get some injuries. It's a low impact sport, so injuries are not that common. However, a few things do happen to cyclists, such as knee pain, back pain, neck and shoulders, wrist numbness, things like that. Today's topic is about knee pain and how you as a cyclist can make sure it never happens. And if you do have knee pain, what you can do about it now. Hi, I'm Dr. Rajni Patil. I'm a spine and sports physiotherapist. Been practicing here in Shivaji Park for about 24 years, and my company's name is Orthosports Physiotherapy. My cyclists who come in as patients usually mostly complain about knee pain, usually possibly after a long ride or having done a lot of overtraining or after getting into cycling after a break. So there are several reasons why this might be happening. So in today's video, I want to break down these 5 things that I think you as a cyclist should look at, and let me know if one of those resonates with you. जो मेरे cyclists हैं, generally they either ride to the clinic. I'm here in Mumbai, so they will just ride to clinic, and I'll be able to do like a consult, a bike fit, things like that. That will help them. However, if you are not in Mumbai and you want to consult with me, I'm putting my link below or my number. Get in touch with me and we can do an online consultation and help you with knee pain if you have any. In all the cyclists that I know, over the years I've seen many cyclists. Generally, knee pain remains one of the big things that they suffer from. Wrist numbness, neck and shoulder pain, low back pain. ये भी बहुत होता है साइक्लिस्ट को. सो कमेंट करके मुझे बताइए कि इसमें से कौन सा आपको प्रॉब्लम होती है. बार बार आपको पेन आता है, कुछ करना पड़ता है, ब्रेक लेना पड़ता है, फिर वापस साइकिलिंग करते हैं तो फिर से वो पेन आ जाता है. ऐसी क्या कोई चीज़ है तो मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना. I have also made this guide for you. As a cyclist, this has a lot of information that will help you how to remain injury free. So if you want this guide, it's absolutely free, by the way. Just put guide in the comments and I will send you a link to pick up the guide for yourself. Let's talk about why knee pain actually happens for you as a cyclist. Reason number 1 is bike fit. अगर आप cycling कर रहे हैं and you're cycling for several times a week, you must get a bike fit done. Anybody who is cycling more than 20 kilometers, it means that you are riding for a long time, and this can cause a lot of strain in the knee, especially if you've not done a bike fit. There are 2 different ways that you can do it. When you buy a bike, the person at the store can quickly do a bike fit for you based on your dimensions. But you can also get a professional bike fit done, which is computerized. And there are several sources that I can share with you. So if you can comment bike fit, then I can give you some of these resources and get in touch and get that done. Absolutely critical to get a bike fit done at least once. Point number 2. लोगों को लगता है कि cycling is not that strenuous. It's okay to not do warm up, not do cool down. बीच में break नहीं लिया तो चलता है. Remember, any kind of repetitive sport, cycling is a repetitive sport because you're doing the same movement again and again and again. तो इसके वजह से क्या होता है, same muscles बार बार use होती हैं. So अगर आप इन muscles को warm up नहीं करते हैं along with your heart, remember cycling is a cardiovascular exercise. अगर आप warm up नहीं करते हैं, अगर आप cool down which is stretching after your ride नहीं करते हैं, या if you feel any strain building up, आपको बीच में ब्रेक्स भी लेने चाहिए, स्पेशली इफ योर राइड इज रियली लॉन्ग. अगर आप ये चीज़ें नहीं कर रहे हैं तो डेफिनेटली दिस कैन बी वन ऑफ द रीजंस व्हाई स्ट्रेन बिल्ड्स अप इन द नी एंड देन later on it becomes pain. So don't let this happen. Just remember to do like a quick warm up. Again, I have mentioned the exact stretches that you should be doing, warm up and cool down. So comment guide and I'll send it to you. Reason number 3 for knee pain. Quadricep muscles, the muscle on the front of the thigh. These are the muscles that work a lot. Of course, आपका core भी strong होना चाहिए, calf भी strong होना चाहिए, लेकिन your quads do majority of the work. So there are 2 reasons why it could happen that you have knee pain. One is या तो आपके quads इतने strong नहीं होंगे. Cyclists जो मैंने देखे हैं, they think कि खाली cycling करने से स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ती है, फिटनेस बढ़ती है, अलग से स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग की ज़रूरत नहीं है, अलग से फोम रोलिंग की ज़रूरत नहीं है. But that's not true. because the cyclists that I see in the clinic, and I've been seeing them for years together, the little bit of strength training for the quads and the calf, or just including foam rolling on a regular basis, makes knee pain go away. Definitely remember to include strength training routines. So quadriceps को strong रखो, calves को strong रखो, core workouts करो, आपके lower back muscles strong रहने चाहिए. अगर ये सब strong है तो नी पे इतना strain नहीं पड़ता है, नी पेन start ही नहीं होता. दूसरी बात, फोम रोलिंग आपको हर राइड के बाद करना चाहिए. आई रिकमेंड माई साइकिलिस्ट कि अगर आपने अबाउट 30-50 किलोमीटर्स का राइड किया है, उसके बाद आपको फोम रोलिंग करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. If you don't know what a roller is, if you don't know how to foam roll, then I will put a link to one of my videos below, which tells you exactly how to foam roll. For you as a cyclist, what are the rolling techniques that you should be doing? The fourth reason why you may be having knee pain is that maybe you're overtraining. Maybe आपके quads इतने strong नहीं है, आप recovery अच्छे से नहीं कर रहे हो, लेकिन आप rides या तो बहुत frequently कर रहे हो या बहुत लंबे rides ले रहे हो. So overtraining definitely can be one of the reasons. And the fifth point is that if you have any knee strain जो आपको लग रहा है build up हो रहा है, every ride में थोड़ा थोड़ा pain आ रहा है, इसको आप ignore मत करो. जब हम पेन को इग्नोर करते हैं तो वो पेन बढ़ता है, कम नहीं हो जाता है. Sometimes only rest is also not enough. So if you do have knee pain, remember any one of these 5 reasons can be it. So comment and let me know below. Tell me which could be your reason for knee pain and what have you done about it. If you know any of my videos, I always say that if you have pain, address it right now, because if you don't, then that's going to become pain that can be irreversible. And मैं नहीं चाहती कि इसकी वजह से आपका cycling बंद हो जाए. So if you have knee pain now, try to figure out which of these reasons it is, find the solution for it, pick up the guide because there is a lot of solutions that I have mentioned here. And again, if you need my help with any of this, with any of your cycling concerns and issues, then I'm just a call away. My number is here on the screen. Definitely ping me and I'll see what I can do to help you. Every single week, I do share a very informative video like this. If you would like to get updates, then definitely do subscribe to my channel. लेकिन एक बेल भी होता है, उसको भी आप बटन दबाना, so that आपको डायरेक्टली ये मैसेजेस आ जाएंगे जब भी मैं अपलोड एंड रिलीज करूँगी वीडियो.